Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true. So light a candle on your cake for every smile you've helped create, for every heart and every soul you've helped to grow a little more. A few more pounds, a little more gray. Don't count the years, just count the way. It takes a little time to go from water into wine. Don't ever lose the wonder of that child within your eyes.
Happy birthday, Mon! I love you so much, and I think this year is going to be your sexiest and most successful year. And I'm so excited to share it with you, and you know I'm always here cheering for you. And I love you!
Oy! Happy birthday! Bye-bye! Uy, teka! Oh, birthday pala ni Mon ngayon! Ay, oo nga! Happy birthday, Mon! Uy, arang! Oh! Birthday ni Mon! Uy, Mon! Happy birthday! Happy
birthday, Mon!
Happy birthday! Ton, happy birthday!
Ay Mon, happy birthday. Payaman tayo. Ingat.
Hi, Mon! Happy birthday! Bye-bye! Happy birthday, Mon!
Happy birthday to you. Effort na ako kumanta. Kumanta na ba ako, Ray? Since birthday mo, Mon, meron akong biniling cake para sa'yo. Yung cake, 3. Meaning, I miss you. Yan, yung mayroon 3 cupcake. Yung isa para sa'yo, yung isa para sa akin, yung isa para sa ating dalawa. Yung candle na para sa atin, green. Kasi parehas tayong green-minded. Anyways, bukod sa cake, cupcake, meron din akong, nakikita ba? Yan, balloon. Balloon. Maliit lang, pero yung message naman yung mahalaga. So, ayan. Kompleto na yung birthday mo. May cake, may balloon. Ako na lang yung kulang. Alam ko naman ako na matagal mong hinihintay. Joke! Joke lang. Basta, one Skype away lang ako. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, and I wish you the best of everything, good health, longer life, and maraming salamat sa walang sawa mong pagsuporta sa akin.
Oh! Oy! Happy birthday, Annie! Hi, Gracie! Happy birthday! Miss na miss ka na namin dito. Miss na miss ka na ng GE, ng GE Bets, ng GE Philippines, ng GE Singapore, ng GE Indonesia. Kunin mo naman na kami dyan. Saka, friend, manlibre ka naman. Bye-bye!
Hi, Annie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Annie.
Yun may ginagawa ko. Ituro mo dito. Ituro mo. Aral mo ba yan? Balik ka na dito. Tapusin mo to. Nantaon ka na. Ganun. Happy birthday ulit.
Honey! Happy birthday! Honey! Happy birthday! Yay! Oy! Nasa na yung pakako mo, papa ko. Basta happy birthday, be happy, at saka sana huwag mo kaming kalimutan kahit mayaman ka. Sige, God bless.
Chris, happy birthday and I miss you. Hug na lang kita ha. Na-feel mo ba? Sarap no? Kiss. Okay na.
Bulaga! Happy birthday, Annie!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Diba? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, honey! We miss you! We love you!
Hi, Chris. Happy birthday. Payaman ka. Ingat.
Niiwan mo kami.
Dapat kasama ka namin ngayon.
Alam mo ba? Miss ka na namin. Hoy! Ay! Sorry! May tao! Magdala ka kasi ng pinto. Sorry. Ano meron? Message lang kay Ami. Message ng birthday. May miss na ba yan?
Oo. Game.
Happy birthday, Annie! Miss ka na namin. I wish you more boys to come and more blessings. Uwi ka na dito ha. Miss ka na namin. Hug. I love you, Annie.
Annie, happy birthday. Ano mo itong gusto mo? Happy birthday! Birthday, ingat ka parate dyan. Miss you. Then, hope makabalik ka na dito. So, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my friend. Here's to all the years we've shared together, all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
Kakanta ba tayo? Kakanta ba? Ano ba? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Alam mo, hindi matay nag-iba ng pwesto.
Happy birthday mo!
Sige,
Kaya dapat Tol, happy birthday. Ganun na lang. Tol, happy birthday.
Kasi mag-buy me birthday. Kasi mag-buy me birthday. Naku, recorded din.
Hello, lagot ko. Tol, happy birthday. Nakakatawa. Isa pa. Tol.
Dali na, okay ma?
Bulaga! Happy birthday, Annie! Awkward!
Miss ka na namin.
Hi, Chris. Okay na. Nahiya ako eh.
Oy! Annie! Happy birthday! Ayo, Annie!
Jay!
Uy, David! Birthday ni Juan! Oy! Oy!
Hi, Annie. Happy birthday. Birthday yan.
Wait lang. Masyado.
Happy birthday to you. Ayan, round 2 na ito. Na ako kumanta. Kumanta na ba ako, Ray? Alimutan ko na. Kumanta na ako. Natatawa ako si Ray kasi. Kasi parehas tayong green-minded. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. Yun na, Ray! Eri na ako.